106, Scene 1. I'm Esther Choi. Hello. And welcome to my home kitchen. Oh my gosh. Like, hello. Every time you chew, you get like a different sensation. It's like sweet, but then it's like crispy, but then it's like a little spicy, and then it's like sweet again. And then it's a little spicy again, then it's a little salty. It's like, what is happening? Explosion in my mouth. Mic drop. Yes, you gotta hear this. We're going to be cooking some of my favorite Korean American recipes. I just think that bacon makes everything better. It's so hot, but so good. Haven't tried gochujang yet. I mean, you're seriously missing out. Now get out of here so I can eat.